This is my unboxing and review of the Noco Genius Gen5x3. This is a 3-bank 15 amp charger. One thing I learned while I was shopping for a new battery charger for my boat, some of the cheaper ones out there are sequential, which means they charge one battery, then they go to the next battery, then the next, which is different than this one. This one charges all 3 batteries simultaneously. So if you don't have a lot of time before your next trip, bring the boat, plug the boat in, and it'll actually start charging all 3 batteries at the same time. This is to replace a failed owner guest onboard battery charger that came with my Pathfinder. It's probably, I don't know, probably 20 years old at this point, and it just quit working out of the blue one day. This one is the closest to the form factor and existing screw hole sizes in my console as the one that came with the boat. The difference is the one that's on the boat now is a 2-bank, and so I've always had to have an additional charger on the boat to charge the starting motor. This one will actually charge all 3 batteries for me, so I don't have to keep adding that other charger in. And it will charge both AGM and flooded lead acid batteries. So seems to be a pretty good charger. So, as far as reviews go, good 3-year warranty. There is some commentary in the reviews about not extending the leads between the fuses and the charging module. So if that's something you need to do for your installation, you may want to look into that. For my installation, this will actually be located in the same compartment as the battery, so it should not be an issue. So I'm going to do my best to unbox it with one hand here, and we'll see how we can do this. This comes open. This side. All right, very nicely packed, good foam. And just for shopping purposes, when I was looking for this charger, Bass Pro Shops had it for $229. It was out of stock. They expected some more in this week. Academy had one in stock for $189, and then Amazon had it for $179, Prime one day. So I went the Amazon route. But if you want to buy a local, check out your Academy Sporting Goods if you have one local to you. So first impressions, sorry for all the racket, trying to do this one hand, it's a little tricky. It's a very heavy unit. Feels much heavier than the other ones I looked at Bass Pro Shops. So get the cords out. There's one there. These are the leads. Okay, making a mess of this. Much easier with 2 hands. So there you go. That's the unit. Comes with limited user guide and warranty. It is a 3-year warranty. But again, check on the lead splicing if you want to do that. And then it comes with some accessory brochures you can look into as well. So the leads, these are 72-inch leads. You can see they are fused towards the eyelets. And from what I understand, if you splice additional wire between the fuse and the unit, it does void the warranty, apparently, just based on user reviews. So if you're going to extend it, I would extend it outboard of the fuse. But again, for my installation, these are actually going to be a little longer than I need, so that's not going to be a problem. And you can see here, it does have mode selectors for all 3 batteries. Again, I'll do flooded wet cell, AGM, and lithium. So yeah, pretty excited to get this installed and let you know how it works out. And I do believe the distance between the 2 mounting holes is 7.1 inches according to the website. That's pretty much ideal because my existing battery charger has 4 screws in the console and they're 7 inches apart. So I should be able to reuse 2 of the screws that are there and just leave the other ones in there as hole fillers because they do go through the outside of the console. So more to come once I get this actually installed, and as soon as the weather clears up, I'll bring the boat back to the house, get it uncovered, and start working on installation. That's it for now. Thanks.